this is day 2nd April 2024 and today's daily challenge Leetcode question is isomorphic string. So isomorphic string, we are given with two strings S and T, and we have to check whether these strings are isomorphic or not. So two strings are isomorphic if the characters in S can be replaced to get T. Similarly, the characters in T can be replaced to get S. So let us look at the examples to understand. So in the first example, S is egg and can be transformed into T, add, by replacing E with A and G with D. Therefore, the output is true. In the second example, the S is F double of foo and it cannot be transformed into T, that is bar, by replacing characters while preserving the order. Therefore, the output is false. In the third example, we can see that S is paper and can be transformed into T, title, by replacing P with T, A with I, E with L, R with E. So we return true. Here written that no two character may map to the same character, but the character may map to itself. Like E can be E in the other string, but A and N cannot be same in the other string. Like A and N of S string cannot be M in the other string. So this is the code. Here we have used default dict for storing and mapping the element in S and T. We have iterated through a for loop for range length of S, because the in the constraint we are given that the length of S will be equal to length of T. So we can use length of T or S for the range, and we are checking that if S of I is not present in S of T and T of I is not present in TS, then we are mapping that S of I in ST will be T of I and T of I in TS will be S of I. And we are then checking if they are S of I in ST is already mapped, that is already present, then we will go to else condition, where we will check if the mapping are consistent, and if they are inconsistent we will return false. What is consistent here is that if P stored T in the first if condition, if P is encountered again and this time P is not equal T, then we will say it is not consistent and we will return false. If it doesn't return false for all the iteration, then it is true. So let us run this code, and this is accepted, and here is my solution for this problem, and the link of this solution is given in the comment box. Thank you.